Dr. Mukul Sangma nongialam ke Seng Congress uloang hadien ke jingshah khwai lani ke jingshah Tuh no Martin Danggo hadien ke election MLA jakat pra ke Seng ialeh Tyngeh pynsngewthuh dkhot bagi ke MLA halor ke jingpyrshang Kiwei pat ki Seng bantani ke MLA jong ke Congress shawei pat uloang bakam de ke besuk hynrei ke Congress kalala bante lakam ni ban pyniatylli ke MLA bakin lait na ke jingshah khwai Kiwei ki Seng sign perthei.
Whoever were keenly watching the political developments in the state post 2018, after the formation of the new government on the 6th of March 2018, what has happened? There has been the usual poaching, and the usual poaching, which obviously is not confined only in the state of Meghalaya. It has happened. We are still witnessing the same thing happening everywhere. So this whole new trend of poaching the members of particular political party has been on all across the country. And this has been here, and you have seen how the whole aggressive poaching culminated into one of our colleagues from our party resigning and joining another political party and creating a vacancy in the respective constituency and foreseeing a by-election. So this is there for everybody to see. Now, after that, did they stop? No. Did they continue? Yes. Are they continuing? Yes. But let us keep on record that we have been able to insulate our team effectively from all this poaching exercise. And that is probably the toughest job which we have embarked upon. And we have successfully taken this responsibility of protecting and insulating our team till now. And that is not a simple job against, the kind of might and force and other, whatever factors are there, which can actually influence the mind of the members of the party. You can easily understand, what are the forces that is used, including inducement, etc., etc. So, the toughest job that we have had was to keep our flocks together, the members, after one of our friends out of the 21 elected who left us, and we have successfully done it. And not just that, we have not just been busy in keeping our flocks together, insulating it from the impact of the continuous poaching, but we have been able to actually remind people about the difference of the kind of governance that we get in the preceding years, the difference of governance that you see now. If somebody says that, is it comparable? I will say it's not comparable. Please don't compare. Yeah, because our focus were different, but the focus of the present government is completely different.
Halor ke jingwan phai biang uba arji lingdong MLA barim chika Congress u Dr. Mukul ulong ba umlong maujin thut yanuru ki bakwa banwan chika Seng hene ke Congress ke de ke Seng ke badan laki jong ki rim bat baro ki barung haka ki de ban bod ki rim ba ke Seng ke don.
Everybody has their own wisdom. They'll be guided by their own conscience, and Congress provides platform for everybody. We don't put any obstacle for anybody from coming in. Okay. But how we do it is more important, and that also revolves around how the perception will be generated, the narrative will be generated. So how we do it more important, but who comes and who goes, as I have said, for every political party, not just for Indian National Congress, party will remain, But if the parties which have been established are not able to have a strong foundation, the party also will disappear, along with the people who come and leave the party. But there are political parties who have their roots already, and therefore leaders will come and go, but then it also will be determined by how people respond to those kind of leaders.
Khwai.